The Chief Minister also said that the vaccination drive in the state is ongoing progressively and till date, no side effects can be seen post the vaccine dosages.
There has been no symptoms or no kind of adverse effects of the vaccination on anybody in the state till date. We are getting good response. We have now enough stocks. The Government of India's policy has changed now from 45 plus to 18 plus to now a simple category of all 18 plus. So therefore, today this program started. We got a very good response. And as of now, till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we had almost close to 8,000 shots that were given today in a single day. So if we expect this trend to double, triple in the next few days, we do expect large number of vaccinations to be done. And I encourage the people of the state, I encourage the people of Jayant Hill especially, to please come forward and take this opportunity to take these vaccinations which are being given free by the Government of India.